Hello my dear and welcome to yet another session on angles. I hope you remember what we have learnt in the last class. We have learnt about angles, how to represent the angle using the symbol of angle like angle O and the unit of angle, let's say 40 degrees. We have learned how to measure the angles using this tool called protractor. I asked you to figure out the angles in some real life objects. I hope you did it. I did it too. I took the protractor and kept it at the corner point of the television screen. Not just one corner point, but all the 4 corner points. And surprisingly, the angle was of 90 degrees. Likewise, you can also look at the angles in your phone screens, doors, windows, etc. Not only this, I also took Doritos chips and I saw that the angle at these 3 corner points was actually less than 90 degrees. But more than 0 degrees. So somewhere between 0 to 90. And in this class, we are going to learn the types of angles. That what special names are given to the angles of 90 degrees, the angles of 0 degree, 180 degree and so on. The names are straight angle, right angle, acute angle and obtuse angle. Now, apart from these 4 types of angles, there are a few more special types of angles as well. But in this session, we are going to just focus on these 4. So quickly bring in your protractors and let's start measuring the angles and look at their special names. So first, let's take both the arms of the angle on the 0 degree. Make sure to put the center point of the protractor on the vertex of the angle. Now since both the arms of the angles are at 0 degree, so therefore this is a 0 degree angle. And the special name of it is also 0 degree angle. Now what if I make one arm of the angle on 0 degree, but I make another arm of the angle at 180 degree? Then what? Then what is the measure of this angle? So we started from 0 degree and if we measure, it ended at 180 degrees. So therefore, the measure of this angle is 180 degree. Now can you observe this 180 degree angle is actually lying on the straight line. So what special name can it get? Straight angle? Absolutely right. So 180 degrees is actually called a straight angle. Now what if I divide this 180 degree angle into exactly 2 parts? Then what is the angle of the either part? Did you say 90 degrees? Then it's correct. It is actually on 90 degree line. So therefore, this angle over here is 90 degree angle. And do you know what special name it has? The special name of this L-shaped angle is right angle. Now, whatever lies between 0 to 90 degree is called acute angle. And whatever angle lies between 90 to 180 degrees have a special name called obtuse angle. So this, my dear, is 0 degree, then straight angle is 180 degrees, 90 degree is a right angle, whatever is between 0 to 90 is the acute angle, and whatever is between 90 to 180 degrees is called the obtuse angle. So now let's look at their real life application, starting with the right angle. If you're going to see the phone screens, the television screens, the doors, the windows, the table, every corner point of these objects is going to give you 90 degree angle called the right angle. How about an acute angle? Where do you see it? We usually find it in small pieces of watermelon, apples, in the seesaw, when it is bent onto one side, in the clock as well. In the clock, where we're going to see in the upcoming sessions. And how about the obtuse angles? Obtuse angles we generally see in the cloth hangers. If the book is open, over there we see the obtuse angles in the beds. Now here's a question for you to try. Draw any obtuse and acute angle with the help of protractor. You already know how to draw the angles using protractor. Draw one arm of the angle on the 0 degree and adjust the other arm of the angle according to the acute angle or obtuse angle. If it is acute angle, it has to be between 0 to 90 degrees. And if it is obtuse angle, it has to be between 90 degrees to 180 degrees. Now here's one example. This angle is an acute angle because it is just 20 degrees. It lies between 0 to 90 degrees. That is, it lies between 0 and 90 degrees. And here is an example of obtuse angles because it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. Now let's summarize whatever we have learnt in this session. So we have learnt about different types of angles like 0 degree angle is called the 0 degree angle only. Straight angle is actually 180 degrees. Right angle is exactly 90 degrees. Now whatever is between 0 to 90 is called acute angle and The angles that lie between 90 to 180 are obtuse angles. Now it's your time to spark your curiosity. Let's look at the real life applications. I'm going to see you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. Have a safe learning.